Here I have examples of the three abbreviated forms of the Madi Asli. I wanted to show you that. Here we have the little wow, qadaruhu, that's going to be pulled 2 counts, qadaruhu, okay, that's a wow madda. And then you have again this one, biyadihi. You see that? That's a pull of 2 counts as you say it, biyadihi. That's very much like the ulta khadi zir of what we see in the subcontinent, and the ulta pesh is what the wow that we see here. That would be an ulta pesh. They make it the other side round. Here's another one, ajaluhu. Okay, now the time that it becomes a little tricky is when it has a standing or the khinziriya alif on it, like this one. You see how far away it is from the actual place of it. Al-kitab, al-kitab, it looks like it's just hanging there alone, separate. Now here hatta, so you have the fatha and then you have the standing up, the dagger alif. So you feel like, is it part of the word or isn't it? But it is. You're going to pull it 2 counts. Okay, here is a perfect example of when you can get confused. Look at this one. Hafidhu ala sala. Now look at that. This is a fatha and you have the dagger alif. So you're reading ala salawa, salawa. So this has the alif on that wow, wa. Okay, you're going to pull it 2 counts. Salawati was sala. Now you see this one? This looks like it's on the wow as well, but you're not. This is part of this one. You see this one? So this is why it's was salati. You see that? Ala salawati was salati. Ala salawati was salati al-wusta. You see that? Wusta, pulling it 2 counts. So, and I hope that's, this is actually a beautiful example of understanding how this is used. So if it's a little bit away from the word, don't get worried. Just make sure that you get in the habit of reading those 2. Whenever you see that fatha, you know that this has to be read with its salah. It's not on the wow. It's representing it. It's actually pulling the lam, not the wow. Here's another one. Nuqatil, nuqatil. So it's coming with it, all right? Nuqatil. All right, so please don't get confused in that. Sometimes you have the ya madda, the little abbreviated ya sitting inside that kind of a bucket, but this is also not something to worry about. It'll be pulled again the same 2 count stretch. Ibrahimu. See that? Ibrahimu. All right. Okay, here you see that little abbreviated wow carrying the mud. This is because the next letter is a hamza, and this is the mud munfasil. Munfasil is happening in 2 words when there's a wow madda followed by a hamza, and this will be elongated to a 4 count stretch. This is you should do it. I mean, we should do it, but usually you hear the qaris, they don't, because this is jaiz. It's not something you have to do. But the other one, when it comes within a word, then you have to, like the one we saw, ulaika, we have to pull that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how that sits on it and what that means.